Namaskar. It was in the year 1909, the 31st day of January, an Assamese named Gopal Surendra Rabha, who was residing in Dhaka for his profession, was blessed with a baby boy. This boy later on became the Kolaguru, the crusader, the relentless worker of art, music and drama, the true worshipper of art and culture.
Yes, he is the Kalaguru Vishnu Prasad Rabha. What he had not done for the upswing of people, society, integrity, cultural harmony and unity. In true sense, he was a sincere chaplain of art and culture.
And so he wrote, Hurore deulore rupore hikoli.
Hurore deulore rupore hikoli bhangi dili khuli duar honoali pujari ভাঙি দিলি খুলি দুয়ার হনুমালি পূজারিও পূজারিও সুন্দর পূজারি সুন্দর পূজারি সুন্দর পূজারিও পুররে দেউলরে রূপরে শিকলি ভাঙি দিলি খুলি দুয়ার হনুমালি পূজারিও পূজারিও সুন্দর পূজারি সুন্দর পূজারি সুন্দর পূজারিও जाऊती युगिया बरगीत अमिया जाऊती युगिया बरगीत अमिया बन गीत कुड़िया ओ अमिया प्राण मन भरी पूजारियो पूजारियो সুন্দর পূজারি সুন্দর পূজারি সুন্দর পূজারি তোরে পরহতে প্রাণরে হরিতে দিয়াহি সুপুতি বায়ই মুকুতি রাগরে মূরতি উটি ভাই পুরে উড়ি পূজারিও পূজারিও সুন্দর পূজারি সুন্দর পূজারি সুন্দর পূজারিও
Young Vishnu Rabha had an eye for music and drama. For the first time in his life, when he was only 8 years old, he acted in an Urdu play. After that, in due course of time, he was able to make a mark in the hearts and minds of millions of audiences through the numerous roles that he played in various dramas.
Vishnu Prasad Rabha was a multifaceted artist and a revolutionary singer of Assam. There are more than 100 of songs of his lyrics and composition. He was an established singer, dancer, writer, and poet. His poetry owned thousands of hearts, and his dancing ability was tremendous. He was also a great actor. His paintings are still preserved in his residence at Tejpur. Many of his artwork are considered to be remarkable, as each were worked on with such a perfection even at that period of time.
Sunday, Sunday, Mohanande, Anande, Nasa, Nasa, Tomu Horo Deu Nasa. Missar Sunday, Sunday, Mohanande, Anande, Nasa, Nasa, Tomu Horo Deu Nasa. Bonde, Bonde, Aji, Hobo, Bhakata Binde, Bonde, Hobo Sarana Kamala Bonde. Missar Sunday, Sunday, Mohanande, Anande, Nasa, Nasa, Tomu Horo Deu Nasa. Bishar Geulat, Yanare Bonti, Alukore Hika Uthok Nasi, Ojjano Endari Pinahi, Ojjano Endari Pinahi, Ulokanande, Bonde Aji Hobo Bhakata Binde, Bonde, Navasara Nakamala Bonde, Bishar Sunday, Sunday, Mohanande, Anande, Nasa, Nasa, Tomu Horo Deu Nasa. Nasunor Kale Kale, Puspito Bononi, Seve Seve Hale Kale, Bikochito Bononi. Sunor Kale Kale, Puspito Bononi, Seve Seve Hale Kale, Bikochito Bononi. Amul Mulkare, Omoni Dharani, Puspito Kubachito Gandhe. Amul Mulkare, Omoni Dharani, Puspito Kubachito Gandhe. Bonde Adi Hobo Bhakata Binde, Bonde Sarana Kamala Bonde. Missar Sunday, Sunday, Mohanande, Anande, Nasa, Nasa, Tomu Horo Deu Nasa. Bonde, Bonde, Aji Hobo Bhakata Binde, Bonde, Sarana Kamala Bonde. Missar Sunday, Sunday, Mohanande, Anande, Nasa, Nasa, Tomu Horo Deu Nasa. Nasa, Tomu Horo Deu Nasa. Nasa, Tomu Horo Deu Nasa.
Vishnu Rabha did his initial schooling in Dhaka. After that, he moved to Tezpur for his further studies. In 1926, he completed his high school studies, securing a first division, for which he was awarded the Queen Empress Medal. After that, he went to Calcutta to study at the St. Paul's College.
After successful completion of ISc from St. Paul College, Vishnu Prasad Rabha got admission into Ripon College to study BSc with honors in physics. He was a brilliant academician and researcher. He was forced by the colonial British regime to leave Ripon College at Calcutta and transfer to Victoria College at Coach Bihar.
At that time, the struggle for independence in India and the revolutions against the British Raj was at its zenith. At this time, the mind of the young Vishnu Rava got better of everything and he became an active freedom fighter. And thus, his academic career got jeopardized.
Vishnu Prasad Rabha's pious hope of an unexploited and class-free society made him reckless towards his personal life. He started ignoring his personal problems and continued proceeding towards his dream. Farmers, workers, laborers were his friends. The people who were close to his heart and soul, the people for whom he lived, was always the lower section of people of the society. His poems always influenced the revolutionary causes.
কবিতার ছন্দ লাগি স্পন্দন তোর জাগেনে স্পন্দন তোর জাগেনে কথা মালিকার গন্ধ লাগি পুনৰ সপোন ভাগেনে 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 তোর পুনৰ সপোন ভাগেনে মোর কবিতার ছন্দ লাগি স্পন্দন তোর জাগেনে স্পন্দন তোর জাগেনে কথা মালিকার গন্ধ লাগি পুনৰ সপোন ভাগেনে 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 তোর পুনৰ সপোন ভাগেনে তোর পুনৰ সপোন ভাগেনে নাচে তৰা ছন্দে ছন্দে বিশ্ব ভৰা মহানন্দে নাচে তৰা ছন্দে ছন্দে বিশ্ব ভৰা মহানন্দে এই উলাহত হৰহ লাগি হিয়াত নাচোন উঠেনে হিয়াত নাচোন উঠেনে কথা মালিকাৰ গন্ধ লাগি পুনৰ সপোন ভাগেনে 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 তোৰ পুনৰ সপোন ভাগেনে মোৰ কবিতাৰ ছন্দ লাগি স্পন্দন তোৰ জাগেনে স্পন্দন তোর জাগেনে রন্ধ্রে তুলি সুর বাজে মন বাহিমু রন্ধ্রে রন্ধ্রে তুলি সুর বাজে মন বাহিমু এই সুৰতেই হাত কৰি লৈ পৰিবনে হিয়াজু এই সুৰতেই হাত কৰি লৈ পৰিবনে হিয়াজু সেবে সেবে ফুলে ফুল গোন্ধতে আমূল মূল সেবে সেবে ফুলে ফুল গোন্ধতে আমূল মূল এই সেৱতেই ফুলক এবাৰ হিয়াই নাচেনে এবাৰ হিয়াই নাচেনে কথা মালিকাৰ গন্ধ লাগি পুনৰ সপোন ভাগেনে 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 তোৰ পুনৰ সপোন ভাগেনে তোৰ পুনৰ সপোন ভাগেনে
From the core of his heart, Bishnu Prasad Rava was a stern believer of the fact that only an united and integrated society can bring about development in the field of art and culture and witness it. And that is why he mingled with people from every section of the society, irrespective of caste, creed, language, or religion, through the medium of art and drama.
Vishnu Prasad Rabha always confronted against all social evils. He always tried to remove corruption, injustice from the society to establish peace. He wanted to fix equality among the peoples of the society. He made a good slab to great Assamese and Indian society irrespective of caste, color, creed and community. His songs has always that call for the people.
He regarded the society as a big temple, and so he wrote, As we have already understood that Bishnu Prasad Rava was a multidimensional personality. He was a composer, a singer, a musician, a dramatist, a poet, a painter, a sculptor, and he had a hand in everything what art had in its bosom. He was a good sportsman too, with a strong stature. This made him a very active revolutionary. He took active politics very seriously because he wanted to reach his people directly.
Bishnu Prasad Rabha was a multi-talented and a multi-dimensional person. In short, we can say he's a man with greater talent, knowledge, fun, art, culture and a combination of all the talents. We can say Bishnu Prasad Rabha was an erratic man. He was rambling from hills to plains to valleys in search of finding ways to make a greater and a better Assamese society. This is reflected in his poems too, so we called him the Kalaguru.
খুৱাব
তগৰ ফুলে নুশুৱাই
কুপু ফুলে
নাহৰ ফুলে নুশুৱাই
তগৰ ফুলে খুৱাব
তগৰ ফুলে নুশুৱাই
কুপু ফুলে খুৱাব
নাহৰ ফুলে নুশুৱাই কপৌ ফুলে নুশুৱাই যদি গিলা খোপাতে মোৰ
হিয় ফুলে পাৰি দিম গুজি খোপাতে মনোহৰ
কপৌ ফুলে নুশুৱাই যদি গিলা খোপাতে মোৰ
হিয় ফুলে পাৰি দিম গুজি খোপাতে মনোহৰ
নাহৰ ফুলে নুশুৱাই
তগৰ ফুলে খুৱাব
তগৰ ফুলে নুশুৱাই
কুপু ফুলে খুৱাব
নাহৰ ফুলে নুশুৱাই
The man whose works instilled pride in the hearts of everyone, whose songs and poetry spoke of equality and revolution for the right, was put behind the bars. But that could not stop him. He dreamt of a greater Assamese society, since class, exploitation and discrimination, and did whatever he could from where he was to induce the feeling of unity, integrity, and patriotism among everyone he loved.
Vishnu Prasad Rabha owned Tejpur in his own sense. It was his slogan, Haljar Matitar, which means who cultivate should own the land. And he donated the land upon which Tejpur University stands today. In this way, the inborn fighter artist gradually stepping forward towards the last breath of his life. Yes, all his unforgettable wonders and all his hard works make him weak day by day and years by years. And soon he was in the grip of various killing disease. The man, the D-man, who never surrendered in front of anybody, was forced to surrender his life in the hands of faith that no one can escape.
Birth and death is in the hands of none. From a weak, from the bed of death, but still with a spirited mind, Vishnu Prasad Rabha, in his last hours, wrote the lines, "Ei mur hekh gan, mor jion nator, hekh raginir, koillan khorman."
হে মোৰ শেষ গান মোৰ জীৱন নাটৰ শেষ ৰাগিনী কল্যাণ হে মোৰ শেষ গান মোৰ জীৱন নাটৰ শেষ ৰাগিনী কল্যাণ হে মোৰ শেষ গান মোৰ জীৱন নাটৰ শেষ ৰাগিনী কল্যাণ হে মোৰ শেষ গান
Bringing tears to thousands of eyes, this man, of the people, for the people, give a ultimate revolutionary status to Assam. The people of Assam has started following his step, but the footmarks are now no more. Yes, he came to take his last breath on 28 June 1969. And thus, the speed breaker in the revolutionary causes came to us. The Assam, the Assamese, the Indians, the India will ever and ever miss this great man, Vishnu Prasad Rabha.
Today we don't have this man, this great man, speaking to us, singing with us, or acting with us physically. But he is still with us, within us, with his ideologies and creations. He will be with us forever, in our hearts, till the end of time. He Kolaguru, Khilpi, Tomak Namaskar. Apun gunere, Mohan Kormere, Jatik Korila Jatiskar. Adarkho Premik, Huini Khilpi, Tumi Korila Abiskar. Povitro Sadhana, Tyag Adarkhere, Homas Korila Poriskar. He Matir Manu, Hoytor Pujari, Tomak Hotobar Namaskar. Tomak Hotobar Namaskar. Tomak Hotobar Namaskar.